up, aliens? We are back for another Woojer video. You asked, so I'm delivering. So if this is your first time watching a Woojer video, I'll give you a quick summary of what it is instead of going into all the specifications. There are plenty of videos out there that go down to the detail. It makes games, movies, music, everything like infinity times better. The first time I tried it on, I was blown away. It's like every time I use it now, it's like the first time, every time. That's how amazing it is. Anyone can use it, like your kids, your grandparents. Like that's another reason I love it, is for the hard of hearing and the deaf community. The fact that this is able to help people and make their lives more enjoyable and enhance everyone's experience makes me enjoy it that much more.
All right.
We're gonna go with a little bit of Circles Bob Frozen. Madonna. Yes, Madonna made it first. It's bass boosted. This is my kind of music right here. Oh my god! Bro, what the F? The bass boost takes it to a whole nother level. Dude, I swear to God.
I swear to God.
I love you.
The bass boost to that song made my thong pop off. I swear to God, like, you've got to listen to a bass boosted song. It just took music to a
Whole nother level.
And like I've said, I've listened to music with it, but I've not done bass boosted and stuff like that. Why? I don't know. Ooh, boy. This is a perfect scene for this. Oh my God, if you've seen this, you already know what's about to happen. Oh, hell yes. Woo. It's like you could probably see my hairs floating, flying off of it.
Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say I really don't think you're strong enough. No.
Like her jetpack right now, I can feel Valkyrie's whole jetpack. It's like I'm actually wearing a jetpack. All that, you can feel the recoil. It is insane. For me, it just feels more accurate, like I'm there. It feels like I'm actually there, which makes it more accurate for me. Which is more realistic. And it makes it 10 times more fun. Like even the Mozambique is just insane. And this works for any game, like any game. You're really missing out. I'm telling you that because I would still have this if I did not like it. I'm telling you, I use it a lot. Bro, it's like your whole body is on vibrate. Like you're just like a phone and you're just like, all right, aliens and new people. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I really do just want to share how amazing this thing is. I wish I could just like send everybody one. This is going to make someone's Christmas insane. Like I said, if you've got someone who's hard of hearing or deaf, or your kid, when they put this on, they'll never want to take it off. It's gonna become an accessory. I've got an affiliate link down below. Click it and go buy the vest. You can buy the strap too. That's like excellent to like exercise with, run with, or even like chilling and playing video games. Go check out some of my other videos if you're new. I like to entertain people. Me and my aliens here, if you're new, we like to cut up and have fun. You know, we have our own little thing going. Come join the alien army and check out some reactions, games. Sometimes we do horror stuff. This past October, we went
Ghost hunting.
So I like to throw in some surprises here and there. And of course, if you guys request stuff, I don't mind putting out videos on your request if enough people ask for it. And as always, stay weird. This thing feels like really good.